Curb appeal. Here are a couple of things that you can do to get your house ready to put on the market. Head to your local Home Depot, Lowe's, or neighborhood nursery. First stop, find some colorful plants that will give your home the boost that it needs. They may be hard to pronounce, but they're my go-to plants when a home needs a little pick-me-up. They add color, they're easy to maintain, and most important, they're fairly inexpensive.
Sometimes you get to break out the power tools and have a little fun.
Be sure to trim back and shape any overgrown trees or bushes, and then plan your layout. Evenly distribute the plants that you've purchased and get ready to plant. Within a few hours, all the work that you have done has paid off. You have a neat, vibrant landscape that will be sure to impress any prospective buyers. This house is ready for the market. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks for buyers and sellers. Be sure to follow and share.